What's up, you guys? The Doc is Hope here, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be going over my sewing plans for the week. It's Thursday, so pretty much now until next Thursday-ish. I am working on one of the dresses that I shared with you in a previous video. So let me go ahead and get the pattern, the fabric, and all of that good stuff. So you guys, if you like this video, definitely give me a thumbs up down below. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that we can continue to hang out together and you can catch these videos once a week. All right, guys, so without further ado, let's get into the video. All right, so I'm very excited about this dress. It's trying to be spring here in Atlanta. The birds are chirping, flowers are blooming, but yet it's supposed to be like in the 20s this weekend. So while the weather can't make up its mind, I have made up my mind and I'm going ahead with all things spring. So I am working on this dress, McCall 7744. As I mentioned before, I am making view A and, wait, no, that's B. View A, and I'm using seersucker. So I have all my pieces cut out here already. You can see that light blue and white seersucker, very spring-like. So let's see, this is the tie. I think this is the tie that goes on the back of the dress. This is the sleeve. I'm so interested to see how these sleeves turn out. I've never cut a sleeve in this shape before. So, you know, normally there's that like rounded bell-shaped top of the sleeve or sleeve cap, but this is a little different. So I was excited when I saw that, like, oh, something new, nice. I have a front band here. And then, let's see, this is the front. And this is the back. So, as you can see, there are only, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces to this dress, which I love that. I love that it's, you know, not many to cut. You know, makes for a pretty simple construction, if you will. So yeah, the only thing that I'm thinking of, because like I mentioned before, I'm 5'9", so this is the length of the entire dress. I'm guessing it's gonna sit like right here, because if you can see, it's coming off the shoulder. It's kind of hitting like right off the shoulder. So there's a 5/8 inch hem on this dress as well. So I'm wondering where it's gonna end, where it's gonna stop on the leg. I mean, it's definitely gonna be above the knee, clearly. But for me, I'm just like, okay, I don't want a gust of wind to ruin my day, if you know what I mean. But I think it's gonna be okay. I'm very excited about it. Like I said, got everything cut out, and it looks pretty straightforward. Let's see here. I'm loving this seersucker also. It's just so like pretty and spring-like. So there is some interfacing going on, which I'm okay with. I actually, a while ago, at some point last year, Joann was having a sale on interfacing. So I just bought like one bolt of interfacing and I've been using that like the whole year. So I'm just like, okay, interfacing, let me run and get it. And, you know, cause I think it was like 50% off or something. So I was like, you know, there's a lot of interfacing going on, so I might as well invest and get just a bolt of interfacing instead of having to run to the store every time that I needed it. So yeah, that's been helpful for me, you guys. So Let's see, there are a total of, it looks like 45 steps, but you know how they break it down based off of the view that you're sewing. So with that being said, I'd probably say more like maybe 30, 25 to 30 steps for view A. So I can't wait to see how that comes together. Doing the bottom hem, of course, is gonna be fun. I might change it from 5/8 to something a little less than that if it's too short for my liking. I don't mind a little leg, but like I said, I don't want to have any wardrobe malfunctions. So of course I'll try it on once it's put together before I hem it at the bottom, just to make sure that everything's good to go there. So a few words about the fabric. Let me pull like a little extra piece that I have here. Yeah, there we go. So again, it's this nice seersucker fabric. It's actually got a little bit of stretch to it, not a lot at all. But again, that light blue and white, I've never sewn with seersucker before, but I always see it around springtime and I'm like, that could be really cute. That could be nice. So I thought this was the perfect pattern to try it, especially on the back where it actually says seersucker as an option for your fabric. So here we are. So this is, you know, just a cotton. It's pretty lightweight, pretty thin, which to me is perfect for spring and summertime. And then the fact that this is an off the shoulder type of dress, I thought this would be just the perfect fabric. And then I love the stripes. So just that lightweight, airy spring feel of this fabric. I got this fabric online at Hobby Lobby. They were having a sale. I think it was like either 40 or 50% off fabric sale. And I actually bought a good amount of it. I was actually thinking about using it for something else, but then it didn't work out. So I was like, you know what? This is the dress to use this fabric. So, you know, definitely check out Hobby Lobby if you are looking for fabric, especially when they're having a sale, because I feel like it was pretty inexpensive. Now, it did take a good while for it to actually get to me. The shipping, you know, I had to keep going back and tracking it and trying to figure out where it was, because it did take, I want to say like 2 or 3 weeks before I got my fabric. But once it came, it was really nice. Of course, I washed it and dried it to pre-shrink it. But yeah, I'm loving this seersucker fabric. Yes, hopefully I will be finishing this dress up within the next week or so. I can't wait to share it with you guys. If you have this pattern, let me know. I think one of you guys has told me that you've sewn this dress twice before, and you said that you loved it. So I'm excited about that. If you have sewn this dress up before, let me know. Or if you're thinking about getting this pattern, let me know. All right, you guys, so hopefully you enjoyed this video today. If you did, give me a thumbs up down below. As always, I enjoyed making this video for you. I love sharing my plans with you guys as well as my makes. It kind of helps keep me motivated as well to share with you guys and get your feedback. I read all of your comments and I love everything that you all have to say, your suggestions, your support. And just your love for sewing in general. So thank you for that. And definitely, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button so that we can continue to hang out together and you guys can catch these videos again once a week. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your week. And until next time, I will see you guys later.